And after a while we are going to use NSE scripts. In this case, we are going to utilize broadcast scripts in order to gather network information. We already mentioned that a couple of times, but NSE scripting is a very powerful feature of Nmap. We are going to run a script without a specific target. We are going to type in inside a terminal nmap -script broadcast. This one will run against all hosts on my local network, and it will use all available NSE scripts in the broadcast category. Now we are going to wait for Nmap to give us output. And after the Nmap is finished with the scan, we are going to scroll up to see what we got. We can see all the different types of NSE scripts inside the broadcast category, but we are going to use some specific scripts and we are going to assign them manually inside our command line. Next specific script that we are going to try is Sniffer with timeout of 30. Timeout of 10 seconds is default, but it is not enough for anything from medium to large network. It is a script that scans and sniffs a local network for a given amount of time. Default is, as we said, 10 seconds, but we are going to set it to 30. And it will, as an output, print out discovered addresses. So let's run this script and wait for output. Looks like we are going to need to fix this script by adding a broadcast after the first --script argument. As you can see, we got pretty big chunk of information that later could be utilized in our security work. Let's give a try to something else. We will use broadcast category of scripts by specifically using broadcast ping and with argument of new targets, which means that Nmap will more comprehensively scan the new targets that it discovers. And I'm going to do that on a CIDR notation 7.1/24, which means that it will scan all 256 addresses in my network. If you check a official Nmap broadcast category on their website, you will see that there are many useful scripts that you can use in order to make your penetration testing better and more precise.